Okay, what's your name?
My name is Cha.
It's Cha. How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
14 years old. So, where are you from?
I am from Lao.
Laos. And what's that? This one.
There is,
This is.
this is a book.
This is a book. Okay, wait. What's this?
This is a marker.
What's this?
This is a watch.
Watch. Okay. If you pass level 1, you can study level 2. If you cannot pass, you all will study level 1 again. Okay, good. Lato ready? Okay, what's your name?
Is Lato.
Lato. How old are you, Lato?
13 years old.
13 years old. Okay. And where is Miss Pana?
Say again.
Where is Miss Pana?
Pana is
Next to. Next to. To chat.
Pana is next to Chan.
Next to Saint Chan. Okay. And I'll check again. How is Mr. Bill? Bill trong nhà.
You is
Bill is sting. Okay. What's this?
a pen.
This is a pen. Okay. Pass. Great. Here's Miss Gao Shang. I almost forget. Okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Mashan.
Miss Gao Shang. Okay. How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Speak louder. Okay. Hai non đó. Hai non đó. Okay. How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
12 years old. Okay. So, what is this? What is this?
This is
This is a book. Okay. Where is the book?
the book. Is on the table.
The book is on the table. Great job. Okay. Ready, Miss Para? Okay. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Why? What's your name?
My name is Pa.
Miss Pa. Okay. How old are you, Pana?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. Okay. So where are you from?
I am from Laos.
From Laos. Okay. And how is your book?
My book is angry.
Ugly. Your book is new. Okay. Where is your book? Where is your book?
My book is
On the
on the table.
Okay. Where is Mr. Lao Tua?
Lao Tua is
Mr. Cha. Okay. Great job. Okay. Thank you.
Hi,
Okay. Hello. What's your name?
my name is Sen.
Saint Chan. How old are you, Saint Chan? 13 years old. So, where are you from? Okay. How many people in your family?
There are
6 people. Okay. So, where is your pen?
my pen is on the table.
It's on the table. Okay. Where is Mr. A?
ไทยตัวเอง
Yeah.
เอ
Cannot. A is next to. Next to 9. Okay. Thank you. Great job. Okay. Ready? A is a new student, and Mr. Nai is moving from children class. Just come here today. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Tề.
Your name is. How old are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you? อายุจักปี Don't be shy. เราจำมัวละ13 years old. Okay. Thank you. Great job. New student from Siang Kwang. Okay. Student move from children class. Hello. What is your name? Kam Sai Yang. How old are you? Shh. How old are you? จักปี 13 13 years old. Okay. Where are you from? I am from Laos. I am from Laos. Okay, don't be shy. Okay, you're so shy. So, okay, you translate my words, okay, and translate ตุนซื่อให้ดิจ้ะภาษาอังกฤษตุนซื่อ elephant 包多少 G 丢到多少 G 係啦 Xin chào các lời Phong tờ hay chà Book Tố hay à Bit Pen, okay. Student move from children class. Okay, next one is Mr. View. Ready? Okay, what's your name?
My name is Liu.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Nongpo village.
Live in Nongpo village. Okay, how many people in your family?
My family. There are 7 people.
7 people. If, yeah, okay, good. And what is your father's name? My father's name is no พ่อของเจ้าชื่อหยัง My father's name is right you call your father's name okay so what is this
This is a marker.
This is a marker what is this
This is a pen.
This is a pen where is the pen
The pen is on the table.
Okay so how many sisters do you have mi ơi chắc khôn I have how many 3
Three.
sisters okay okay get long holiday forgot English okay great job well done Miss Pania ready okay you wear mask good job okay what's your name
My name is Tanya.
Pania how old are you
I am 14 years old.
14 years old where are you from
I'm from Laos.
from Laos okay how many people in your family
There are
6 people okay and what do your parents do my parents are อาชีพของพ่อแม่
my
are
are
farmers
farmers.
okay so how is your pen How is your pen
ใช้
บิดของเจ้าเป็นแนวใด Is long okay How is Miss ไปรอง Yeah I ask you How is Miss ไปรอง Is tall Okay Where is Mr. Bill Bill is in front of Goshen. Okay. Sorry, Picker forgot English or okay. Miss Fayong ready? Okay, don't be shy. That's more. Okay. Hello. Okay, look at the phone. Jack, look. Okay. What is your name?
My name is
Fayong. Okay. How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
15 years old. Okay. So, what is this? What is this? This one. This is a book. Okay, what is this? This is a table. Okay, what is this? Pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. Follow me, Halagoka. This is a pen. This is a pen. Okay. It's a shy. Don't be shy. Let's do some more. Okay, thank you.